Montana ranks third in the country for deaths per capita due to carbon monoxide poisoning. But there are simple steps you can take to keep you and your family safe from CO.
We're all transitioning from summertime weather to wintertime weather, so furnaces are coming online and people are starting to heat their houses that way. So I think a lot of folks forget to really clean their chimneys if they're using wood heat, or to change the filters in their furnaces, and just be kind of aware of those changes in the season.
Carbon monoxide is a toxic, colorless, and odorless gas produced by burning natural fuels like wood, gas, and oil. CO poisoning happens when appliances that use these fuels, from water heaters to stoves, are improperly vented. Infants, the elderly, and people with breathing problems are more likely to be impacted by carbon monoxide. There are ways to keep your loved ones safe, healthy, and warm.
Just knowing your equipment in your home, making sure you clean your chimney, making sure that your furnace has been serviced when appropriate and you're having good airflow through your equipment is probably the best thing. If you rent, don't be afraid to call your landlord and have those folks look at your equipment.
Also, avoid running engines in enclosed spaces and check or install CO detectors. Carbon monoxide detectors are the only way to know if dangerous levels of carbon monoxide are present. However, only 27% of homes in the United States have carbon monoxide alarms, according to the CDC.
One of the things that we highly recommend is getting a carbon monoxide detector in your home, just to kind of offset these issues, because carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas, and it could be lingering in your home for hours and hours and hours, and you would never know it. So it's really important to just kind of start having a mind shift into the season.
Stay safe and stay warm. In Helena, I'm Madeline Heath, MTN News.